In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CMMS dashboard in MateSmart, also known as the hot sheet. In a previous video, we created our settings. Keep in mind, these settings are linked to your user ID. Okay, so we have our settings. I'm going to go into the hot sheet itself now and take a look at some of these data items that are loaded. Under preventive maintenance, we have it grouped by technician. And what we can do with this is we can go in, we can pick a technician, select the PMs, or we can select some of them. We don't have to select them all. And then right click and pick print selection. So we can actually print out the PMs for this particular technician right from the hot sheet itself. Additionally, if we right click and pick edit selection, MateSmart will select each of those PMs in the PM update screen. So we could therefore go in there and easily close these out. And when we come back here and refresh, this particular technician's no longer showing up in here. So this would be one way to quickly go through and close things out that need to be closed out and be able to see where you're at with respect to that graphically. Work orders, somewhat the same. You can do pretty much the same things from here. You can print a work order or multiple work orders. In this case, you can see we have 3 different work orders. We can work with them here. We can also go out to our work order screen and work with them there as well by picking edit selection. Okay. Working our way down. The downtime, again, similar. This is going to take us to the downtime screen so we can actually work with that item. The nice thing about the downtime is it'll flag downtime instances that you feel are beyond the norm, so they'll drive it to your attention. Okay, the inventory node gives you the opportunity to create purchase requisitions. So if we come in here and we open one of these, we notice there's a bolt. Let's open another one and see what we got. Okay, this one here has a little green box with a check box in it. Now, or check mark rather. This one here has already been ordered. Yes, it is below minimum stock as defined by us under our settings. So it is going to appear in here, but it's already been reordered, so you'll know not to reorder it. So let's go ahead and we'll order this one. And what we want to do is we want to put it on a purchase requisition. That's what we're going to be doing from here. Now in MateSmart 5, you'll be able to create purchase orders directly from here, approve parts that are on a requisition, and so on, depending upon your level of access permissions. I'm going to go to the options menu first and just check. Okay, it says print requisition on creation. So we should see a print preview here when I pick to print this item. Okay. Create requisition is what I wanted to pick. Okay, so create requisition, and there we go. So it did create the requisition for us from there. Okay, there's a couple of other things here we can look at. For example, let's go back to the settings for a minute. Right now we're showing PMs that show us everything that's late by day. If we wanted to get instead everything that's coming due this week, we can put it in a negative number. If I put it in -7, that's going to capture everything that's already late or is coming due this week. Okay, and so now we've got quite a few more PMs in here. Alright, one other thing we can do is we can make the hot sheet our default screen. If we check that, and we go out, let's go ahead and log out, and log back in. you'll notice that MateSmart opens directly to the hot sheet. This is showing you all the items that are likely going to be important to you as a user today.